We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can set up own video encryption for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So if you would like to set a custom encryption for your videos and alerts in the IPC360 app, or for this IP camera, first of all launch the app, then go into the camera settings. Here open the encryption mode. Actually, you need to enable encryption first in order for it to make sense. So once the encryption is enabled, open the choose encryption mode selection, then set it to customize encryption, then select what password you would like to have for it. What password you would like to lock your videos with. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, done, okay. And that'll be it. So the custom encryption has been set successfully. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.